Yep, it's him again. But watch out, my friends. The news today. You don't need a lawnmower. Look. You just order some friends who will cut the grass for you. You see? They nicely chop it off for you. Well, throw some old bread in the grass. Your friends will come. You don't need gasoline. No worry about startups. Will it start, my lawnmower? Will I get stuck in the ditch? Oh, sorry. This is an easy way. They just chop the grass for you. You see? Well, it's very quiet here. It's a residential area. And, oh, they like it here. You see? They don't make any noises. Other birds are there also. So, working together for a better and a green environment. This is the way to do it. No gasoline, follow those spark plugs. This is the easy way. You see? Okay, peace in YouTubers. Bye bye.